Tired of RSI giving you mixed signals? What if I told you there's a simple tool you can combine with RSI to filter out the noise and trade more confidently? Stick around till the end, I'll show you real examples that prove how this strategy works in live markets. Quick RSI Refresher. First, a quick reminder. RSI, or Relative Strength Index, helps us identify overbought and oversold conditions. Values above 70 usually mean overbought, and below 30 means oversold. But RSI alone can give false signals, especially during strong trends, when it stays overbought or oversold for a long time without a real reversal. What is VWAP? The smart money indicator. VWAP, or volume weighted average price, is a line on the chart that shows the average price weighted by volume throughout the trading day. Unlike simple moving averages, VWAP factors in how much volume was traded at each price, making it a better reflection of market sentiment. Traders use VWAP to see if the price is strong, above VWAP, or weak, below VWAP, during the day. Combining RSI and VWAP. As you know, every solid trading strategy has two essential components. One for identifying the trend, and one for timing the entry. In this setup, VWAP acts as our trend filter. It tells us whether we should stay in a bullish or bearish mindset. Then, we use RSI as a trigger to find precise entry points. Here's how it works. If price is above the VWAP, the market is in a bullish trend. That means we focus only on buy setups. When RSI crosses above 30, it confirms bullish momentum. That's our green light to go long. If price is below the VWAP, the market is in a downtrend. In this case, we only consider sell setups. When RSI drops below 70, it indicates weakening momentum, a potential short entry. But here's the key. Only take trades when both VWAP and RSI agree. If RSI gives a buy signal, but price is below VWAP, or if RSI gives a sell signal, but price is above VWAP, that's a mixed signal. It's best to stay out and wait for alignment. If you're finding this useful so far, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which indicator you want me to combine with RSI next. Real trade examples. This is a Euro to USD chart, showing how this strategy works in practice. In this strategy, we combine RSI with VWAP to filter out false signals. A buy signal is only valid when two conditions are met. First, RSI must break above the 30 level that shows momentum is shifting. Second, the price must be trading above the VWAP, meaning the trend is bullish. Here, RSI crosses above 30, and at the same time, the VWAP is below the candles. In this example, both conditions are valid, so we can buy and ride the upward move to capture profit. This is the second example. Take a close look at this setup. Do you think we could enter here using the strategy we just learned and profit from this rally? If your answer is no, that means you've really understood today's lesson. Even though RSI has crossed above 30 in this area, the VWAP is still positioned above the candles, which means we don't have confirmation of an uptrend. Since one of the conditions isn't met, we should avoid taking this trade. Remember, the goal isn't to catch every single bullish move. The goal is to enter only the trades with higher probability and stronger confirmation. To wrap up, RSI combined with VWAP is a solid way to filter signals and trade smarter. If you want to improve your trading results, test this strategy yourself, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical trading guides.